Alright guys, so welcome to today's giveaway video, and in today's giveaway video, I would like you to present a finisher system. Alright, so this one is very basic when it comes to the visualization, but I think that once you understand the system behind of it, once you know how to add new stuff to it, then you're able to tune this up yourself, alright? So you can, for example, use other animations, other camera movement, whatsoever. And I have already planned to do a tutorial on cinematic camera movement while doing moves, alright? Because that's something I personally see in many new Roblox games currently, and I think that most of you don't really know how to do that, okay? And with that being said, link of the model is in the description, or let's say in the Discord server. And the link to the Discord server is in the description, guys. And I also would love you to see on my second channel, alright? So if you need some tips for Roblox development and in order to develop a good developer's mindset, then make sure to check out my second channel. With that being said, enjoy.